In this video, I'm going to talk you through going to get the activation key using command prompt. If that doesn't work, there's a video at the end with another method, or you can go to a playlist on the end and go into all the different Windows videos, and you will find more information in there. Go down to the bottom taskbar, type in the search command prompt, then do a right click, run as administrator. Command prompt will come up. Type in the following command. If you've got difficulty in doing that, the command line is in the description of the video down below. If you learnt something today, go on and watch another video and learn a bit more, or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.